Hey y'all, it's a little something I'm writing to somebody feature right now. I can't tell y'all who that is because you know that's exclusive. But hey, listen to this verse. Tell me what y'all think. Uh, she looking like a model. She bad as ever. I must find a way to cop her. Not with the cash though. I gotta think fast though, cause time is ticking and she moving in that fast for a yellow bone, thick green eyes. What I'm fiending for. I don't want her number. All I wanna do is take her home. No joke. Body too sick, looking like a bottle coat. Swag dripping off. I think she need a raincoat. She 5'5", baddest thing on the planet. By the way, this chick ain't black, she Hispanic. She say Poppy, I say Vinaki. She say I'm cocky, but I say that's not me. Like everything about her. Sophisticated little mama, she intelligent, she elegant. Those two together make heaven sent. Her own cake ain't gotta ask for it. You can look at her and see an actress. 5 stars, she far from average. This a girl I really gotta have her. Ain't never seen a chick bad, or should I put a ring on it, or could it be disaster? Somebody call a pastor, cause I'm feeling the passion. Since the first time we met, I couldn't even hardly pass her. I had to take a couple looks, model face cute, grown woman swag, got her heels on, oh, designer everything, she in her own zone. On second thought, girl, I think I need your cell phone. Almost messed up right there, man, but tell me what y'all think, man. Hit like, comment, tell me if you think I snap. Shit, chill.